Let's make a bourbon and brown sugar glazed ham. I picked this ham up from my local Mariano's. This is a spiral cut ham and these are pre-cooked. So cooking these up is pretty easy to get out of the packaging. I'm going to use a little yellow mustard for the binder and season the outside with your favorite barbecue rub. Big green egg is fired up 275 degrees, some apple juice in the drip pan. The ham goes on for about 2 hours, and 2 hours in, this thing is looking great. Cover it tightly with foil for an additional hour, and while that's on, we prep the glazed brown sugar, Knob Creek bourbon, some apple juice, simmer over low heat, and after an hour, pour that delicious glaze over this ham, leave it on for about 15-20 more minutes to finish cooking, and this thing is looking and smelling absolutely delicious. Pull it off and check it out. You get those nice crispy edges, the delicious glaze cut around the bone, cut out a couple slices, and this ham is ready to go. And it turned out